Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I like to play badminton most of the time. Football was and still is my favorite sports, but I can't manage time to practice football in the evening. I am a great fan of chess, and I often visit a few of my friends who are also passionate about playing chess. Sometimes, a single chess match between me and my friend takes multiple days to finish. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.